Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Yashu Creations. So in today's video we are going to make DIY paper photo frames. So without any further ado, let's start today's video. To make these photo frames we need a black chart paper or A4 size sheet, one pencil, scale, scissors, fevistick and fevicol. Here I am using black chart paper. You can use any other of your choice. First I am going to make lines on each side 4 cm away from the sides. Four squares on the corners and draw a line on width 1 cm from the side as shown in the video. Now we are done with all the cutting stuff and now we are going to roll the side inside. After rolling all the corners you get a space between every corner and you need to insert each other together and secure it with a fevicol. Like this you have to insert each other together. So I'm doing that, and I'm also keeping my quote in the photo frame. You can keep any other picture. Check out Rajveer's channel, link is in the description box, and do check out his videos. So I'll meet you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.